When it comes to that time that you need that extra bit of juice to charge a mobile device, a USB-C device, or even a laptop, it's real frustrating when you don't have that extra juice and you need that battery life. Well, in today's episode of Good Tech Cheap, we have Baseus 100W Blade Series power bank we're going to check out, and I'm pretty excited to look at this because we've had some Baseus products before and they've all been excellent products to check out. So today's episode, we're going to unbox this and see what we think. Let's get to it. Welcome back to another episode of Good Tech Cheap. My name is Brad and I'll be the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell to receive notifications. Don't forget to hit the like button if you find this review helpful, and get in the comments wherever you're watching it. And join the community. Let's talk about some tech and sweet deals. And speaking of tech, today's episode is brought to you by Baseus. We have their 100W Blade Series power bank to be looking at. And of course, we have all of our links and details located in the notes below, so be sure to take a look at that. So let's not waste any more time. Let's get this out of the box and see what we think. All right, it's time to get the Baseus Blade Series out of the box. This thing is massive, and I'm excited because I absolutely love these Baseus products. So let's get the plastic open. Oh yeah. Baseus has sent in amazing products. We've reviewed tons of their stuff and they're just always so great. I use them forever before they ever, I don't think I've had any Baseus products actually break on me yet, so that tells you a lot. At the very top, USB-C to USB-C cable. Love having USB-C to USB-C, and one thing I really love about Baseus products, most of the time, some sort of cable tie or rubber band on your cables, but when you get the cable tie like this with the Velcro on it, that is handy. Even if you don't want to use it on this cable, you can move it to another cable, and that is so handy. But let's stop talking about the cable and let's start talking about what we're going to plug those cables into. How about that? Let's see what else we got here. Oh, what is this? Feels soft. It's got the plastic around it. Oh, we've got a carry-in bag. Oh, this is nice. This will protect the device. Yes. We go upside down, get everything else on out of here. The box, some paperwork. We don't have anything else in this. No, we're good. Here is our paperwork. Which what would a device be without its paperwork? Now we've got more stuff around the charging bank here. Let's get this off. Oh, we got nice little grooves on the bottom. Move the garbage out of the way so you guys can get a clear picture of what we got going on here. If I could grab it. You've seen how many attempts that took. 100W Blade Series power bank. This thing's awesome. We've got a coating on the top, and then on the front side we've got the power button, a USB port, two USB-C ports, and another USB 2 out. So this right here is pretty nice. We've got the screen right here on the front, and that is what you get right out of the box. So when it comes to these power banks, I really dig them because I typically use them all the time. I can't even tell you how many of these power banks I have used in the past and even reviewed on this channel. So that being said, when I say this is a sweet power bank, trust me, it's a pretty sweet power bank. Each type of your USB-C ports will support 100W power output. That is more power than ever before, and that is amazing. And that is smart chip output power. So when you're using your mobile device, you will get rapid charging function, as well as work along with a laptop or MacBook. And that is even great charging multiple devices on all the ports. And then when you drain all that juice down, no worries, it doesn't take a whole day or anything to get this charged back up. You can be right back at full charge, ready to be used with your laptop or other devices in 1.5 hours with just a 65 watt wall charger. Now keep in mind that the wall charger is not included, but Baseus has plenty of wall chargers if you check out their store, and even look into some of the past videos that we have reviewed giving you 65 watt chargers. That will be a great match along with this power bank. But for myself, I have a desk output that is USB-C for USB-C devices, and it will give it a fast charge and get it topped off in 1.5 hours, and that is handy because I get to use it throughout the whole entire day. The multi-purpose LED status display really gives you everything you need, giving you the power percentage, voltage, and the current charging time with ease. You can easily see it. It's not too dim, it's not too bright, and most importantly, the font is super readable. And when it comes to portability, this thing is even more awesome. It's got an ultra slim design at only 0.7 inch and 50% thinner than regular 20,000 milliamp power banks. Like, I don't even know how they got this much power inside such a slim device, but they did. You have 20,000 milliamp. That means it's got the power to charge multiple devices over and over without having to just recharge it every time you get a device topped off. And that is great. And with this BPS power technology, you don't have to worry about any overheating or overcharging or anything that will damage your devices being plugged into this power bank. It will automatically detect what type of device the chip charging is needed and give that device the proper wattage or volts it needs to get the device charged safely. Keyword: safely. And that really makes the compatibility of this device so broad where just about any device can plug into it, whether it's USB-C ports or whether it's USB-A ports. Most devices will charge no problem with this unit, and I'm sure you will be 100% as satisfied as I am with this power bank. So if you're out on the market looking for a new power bank to charge your devices or just give that laptop a little bit of extra juice on your day's work, this is one I would highly recommend you to look into and check out. Of course, we have all of our links and details in the description. You can head down there and check them out. Go over to the Baseus store, see anything you need to see, check out their products. They have all kinds of awesome chargers and other power banks, but if you want the sweet one, this is the one to look at. I would also like to give Baseus a huge shout out for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. If you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Get in the comments, let us know what you think about this power bank. And if nothing else, just join the community and let us know what type of tech you're into, because we love talking to you guys about sweet tech. But that is going to wrap it up for today's episode. I want to thank you all so much for watching. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Turn that bell on to receive notification. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.